Good morning. I'm going to show you how to fix your computer to work with the ALPA 21 test. First, push Control Alt Delete on your keyboard. If you need help finding Control Alt and Delete, raise your hand. So if I click Control Alt Delete, I need to select Task Manager. And once I select Task Manager, perhaps your window will look like this. You need to make sure you click More Details to expand the window, and then scroll down. Everything's alphabetical. Scroll down to where it says Notebook, and you're going to end the task for Notebook or Notepad, any note, anything. So this is the M section, and my notebook is already turned off. I also need to keep scrolling to look for anything, any smart notifications or smart services. So this says Smart Board Services, so I need to end that task. And then Smart Board Helper or Smart Helper, I'm going to end that task. Smart Ink, I'm going to end that task. Those programs cannot be running, or the ALPA 21 will not work. So I'm going to just keep scrolling down to be sure I got everything. All right, once I have everything, I can just close out of that. Some students' headphones won't work. The way that you can check that is first check to be sure the red light is off on your the actual hardware, the cord that's coming out of the headphones, where there's like a little dial where you can turn the sound up and down. Make sure that the light is off. Then if the light is off, in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, click the sound menu, and when I say click, I mean right click in the pad on your computer. You can right click and then go to playback devices. You can see the menu pops up here, playback devices, and when my headset is plugged in, I can right click on the headset earphone, go down to properties, select levels when the pop-up menu pops up. Some, sorry if I turn that down, you can't hear me. Some headphones will be down here, so you need to make sure that your headset microphone is all the way up and that this isn't muted right here. So you don't want the red on there, because otherwise you can't hear what you're saying into the microphone. So you push OK. Then you also need to not only go to playback, but you have to go to recording devices and do the same. So click on that, right click, properties, then go to levels again, and do the same. Make sure that this bar is all the way up, and this is not muted. So make sure the red is off here and push OK. Then you should be ready to go to the secure browser, which is right here, Air Secure. And you can click on that and start to log in.